This week I'll be going over the gameplay heuristics for the two games that I chose to evaluate this month. First game, Days and Months for Kids. I'll show you some quick screenshots of it. Days and Months for Kids, it's supposed to be a game for children. It has a very low heuristic rating mainly because it's missing game elements and it appears to just be a spam advertisement. Here's the first screen that you see. You just see days or months. If you click on one, you'll see a little image for each day, and you can hear it spoken, or you can shut off the volume or shut off this one word. The score I gave Days and Months for Kids, it's a very low heuristic score. It's 56 based on these questions and my suggestions. This game does not give any possessions, so I suggest that it allows parents to share the child's rewards with grandparents and even send the rewards to their email for backup and backup to their local device. Another way that this game could have been improved is use orthogonal unit differentiation. The suggestion is that it should have a new level. So each new level, like say maybe for a month or a day, should show relevant visuals and audio. Even daytime or nighttime or seasons and seasonal activities would be a good way to improve the heuristic score. This game is not consistent, so I suggest that keep the UI elements consistent. To help this game not stagnate, we could add features to motivate different players. So the achievers can earn rewards, explorers can discover hidden characters, like say make the characters like relatives of the characters that they already know about, or the children or nemesis of the characters that they already know about. Socializers, they could share their learning adventures with grandparents and parents. Killers can mash up the game characters, step on them, throw them. Socializers could also give gifts to the game characters, feed them by playing with them or singing and choosing characters for the correct day of the month. That could help make this so it's not a stagnant game also. To help the players express themselves, we can add audio and video recorder, so the parents can share their child's learning progress with the grandparents. We could add customization features for the players where they can mark their favorite characters, and each character would represent a day or a month. They can buy outfits and gifts for their favorite characters, sing songs. To improve the score for repetition and boring tasks, because this game definitely had no game features, so it was boring. The only suggestion I could say for that is real simple. Add game features, because it's labeled as a game in the Google Play Store, so it should be a game. Add a game story, perhaps a new character for each month or weekday and number. Each character can have their own personality, an image, a sound, a habitat, things that they like and dislike, and tests, like specific tests to help the children help the players learn what this game claims that it wants to teach. Another heuristics score that was very low was the first time experience is encouraging, and this game absolutely was not. My suggestion to improve that is add game features. Challenge, strategy, and pace are in balance. No, this is a low score for this game, so add standard game features that provide increasingly difficult levels with new and unique challenges and strategies. For example, a child-friendly character could encourage the player to sing along a song about months that could bring the heuristics value score up higher. The player is in control. This game absolutely not. So my suggestion is to add player control and customization features such as colors and audio and levels, add some rewards and upgrades, even a social network with fun child-friendly characters. So the social network could be the child is connected to their parents and their grandparents, perhaps some siblings. This game does not provide any rewards, so my suggestion is to add meaningful rewards, unlock valuable gifts for the child, things like fun videos or songs and characters that entertain the child. Unlock valuable gifts for the parents, since they're typically going to be the ones deciding if this game gets installed on their devices. So in that case, you can add new levels, add new topics to learn, add new rewards, and let parents customize the rewards. I'm going to evaluate the heuristics for word hype. And you can see how it's played in last week's video review. Score for gameplay heuristics is very low. It's a 55. Could improve the heuristics on this by showing hints of how many total words are possible to create. Show hints of how many words I created towards that total, because this game did not do that. Let the players see game progress and compare the results. So we could add stats, total words available to create, number of words player created towards that total, a progress bar at top right. So we could just tap the progress bar to see the numbers and show comparisons to other players on a leaderboard. And that would improve the heuristics for that. The other improvement that we could do is give players rewards that are meaningful. Things such as hidden Easter eggs or badges to share and brag about. Maybe have a smartest grammarian award. Unlock valuable training videos. We could unlock unique player features. Things like increased difficulty or shinier badges, or add new characters or even pets that help the player to be able to play this game. That would improve the heuristic score for that feature. The player is not in control in this game, so to improve that aspect, we could provide options to move forward, choose new levels, choose new environments, and customize a profile. Because right now, the player definitely is not in control in this game. It's actually really annoying. A lot of times, the game just stops and you have no idea what to do next. So that's no good. Challenge strategy and pace need to be in balance for this game. We can add and polish all the suggestions for improvement that I'm mentioning in this video review, and it will improve the heuristic score. The first time experience needs to be improved to be encouraging, and again, like all these suggestions I'm giving in this video review will help create a much better first time experience. We need to create a game story, include character profiles, goals, likes, dislikes, why are we playing this game. We need to make sure this is not repetitive or have boring tasks. So we can, again, provide options to move forward, pause, choose new levels, and that would improve the game player experience for this. Another improvement that needs to be done is players need to express themselves, so we can add customization options, visuals, audio, environments, even player profiles, do it in a way where the players can express themselves, because the players, especially the ones that are creators, they like to be able to create a unique experience. We need to support different playing styles. If we add options for builders, achievers, explorers, socializers, and killers, it will definitely improve the heuristic score for this. So for example, builders can customize the environment, explorers could discover Easter eggs, socializers could compare and share with friends, killers, they could compete with characters, could have game characters in here, they could kill the characters that are attached to certain words maybe. It's just one idea to support different player styles. To make sure the game does not stagnate, we need to give players the option to move forward, to be scored, move forward to new challenges, and change the visuals and audio, because right now it's a terrible experience for players because we're playing a game and it just stops and you don't know why, you don't know what to do, you can't go forward. We can add new visuals and audio for each level, so we do need to add levels to this game, which we do not have right now. Give players rewards that they can earn. Let them keep those rewards. Things such as badges, have their name up on the leaderboards so that they can have bragging rights to what they've earned. While each level can perhaps be different colors or different characters, I would still keep things like these buttons, this rounded corner, the shape of this button consistent throughout. That should improve the heuristics score for this game.